Hello everyone, this is Keith Jackson and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. In this video, we're going to learn how to find the surface area of a rectangular prism. It sounds fancy, it sounds complicated, but I assure you it's going to be easy because a rectangular prism has six sides, and those six sides come in identical pairs. And I'll show you what I mean by that. If the rectangular prism has a front, then it must have an identical back. If it has a top, then it has an identical bottom. And if it has a right side, then it has an identical left side. Now let's take a look at the front and see the dimensions of it. Remember, all we have to do is just go length times width. And so here's what we have right here. We have 10 centimeters times 3 centimeters right here. And so we know that 10 times 3 will give us 30 because the front is 30 centimeters squared, then the back must also be 30 centimeters squared. And all we have to do is just add those two right there, add those two amounts right there, and we come up with 60 centimeters squared. And here's another thing too. Let's take a look at the top. The top is 10 by 5, right? So we go 10 centimeters times 5 centimeters, and that would give us 50 centimeters. And since we know that the top comes up to 50 centimeters squared, then we know that the bottom also comes up to 50 centimeters squared as well. And so 50 plus 50 will give us 100 centimeters squared. Now let's take a look at the right side. Okay, and so the right side will just go 5 centimeters times 3 centimeters, as you see right there. And we know that 5 times 3 will give us 15. And if the right side gives us 15 centimeters squared, or 15 squared centimeters, then the left side is going to give us the same thing. And so we know that 15 plus 50 will give us 30 squared centimeters right here. And then all what remains is that we're just going to add these three right here, add these three numbers to come up with the total surface area of this rectangular prism. And when we do that, we have 100 plus 60 plus 30. And our final answer is, and our surface area is 190 squared centimeters. Okay, you have been given quite a bit of information, and I wouldn't blame you if you need to pause the video just to take a look at everything or replay this video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of how to find the surface area of a rectangular prism. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.